An A++ energy rating certifies that this washer-dryer from Samsung always delivers an efficient performance. QuickDrive technology creates a faster water flow that covers the entire drum. This ensures that detergent deeply penetrates the fabric, thoroughly washing your clothes in less time. Get through laundry faster without sacrificing results. Ecobubble creates bubbles from a mixture of air, water and detergent. They penetrate your clothes during the cycle to provide effective stain removal at lower washing temperatures. Enjoy immaculate results from a cost-effective performance. The AddWash door can be opened at any time while the drum temperature is below 50 degrees, which allows you to throw in items you might have missed, some extra detergent, or even a hand wash item that needs a final rinse. Enjoy more flexibility and convenience when doing laundry. With a 9 kilogram load capacity, this Samsung washer dryer is a great fit for family households.